Hi, my name is Mridula. Today we'll be discussing the Assisted Reproductive Technology Regulation Bill 2020. The bill was introduced in Parliament during the monsoon session and it has now been referred to the Standing Committee on Health for further examination. Assisted Reproductive Technology or ART covers medical procedures to address infertility. These include IVF, egg and sperm donation and surrogacy. There are nearly 1,900 ART banks and clinics in India providing such fertility treatments and services to couples who are unable to conceive naturally. The bill is being brought in to regulate them. The bill seeks to set down the conditions for couples and donors to accept and offer ART services, create a central database of all ART clinics and banks in the country, establish a national board to prescribe code of conduct and standards for them, ART procedures can only be carried out with the written informed consent of both the party seeking ART services as well as the donor. The party seeking ART services will be required to provide insurance coverage in favor of the egg donor. Men between the ages 21 and 55 can donate semen, and women between the ages 23 and 35 can donate eggs at a registered ART bank. In addition, the woman should be already married with one child who is at least 3 years old before donating her eggs. Every ART bank and clinic must be registered with the National Registry of Banks and Clinics of India, which will act as a central database. Clinics and banks will only be registered if they adhere to certain standards such as physical infrastructure, specialized manpower, diagnostic facilities, etc. The registration will be valid for 5 years and can be renewed again. Registration may be suspended or cancelled if they are found in violation of the bill. The clinic is prohibited from offering to provide a child of predetermined sex. Any bank or clinic advertising or offering sex-selective ART will be punishable with a jail time of 5 to 10 years or a fine of 10 to 25 lakh rupees or both. Some of the offences under the bill include abandoning or exploiting children born through ART, selling, purchasing, trading or importing human embryos or reproductive cells, exploiting commissioning couples, women or sperm and egg donors in any form. These offences will be punishable with a fine of 5 to 10 lakh rupees for the first violation. For subsequent violations, a prison term of 8 to 12 years and a fine of 10 to 20 lakh rupees has been prescribed. The national and state boards for surrogacy set up under the 2019 Surrogacy Regulation Bill will act as national and state boards for regulation of ART services as well. The national board will be responsible for advising the central government on ART related policy matters, reviewing and monitoring the implementation of the bill, formulating code of conduct and standards for ART clinics and banks. The state boards will coordinate enforcement of policies and guidelines for ART based on the recommendations and regulations of the national board. Courts can take cognizance of offences only on a complaint made by the national or state boards or any officer authorized by the boards. A full summary of the bill is available in the description below. For more information on other bills and updates on Parliament, please